Hey guys, welcome to DayTradeToWin.com. So today I wanted to show you one of the most basic and simple support and resistance trade there is. The breakout with a retest. These are some pretty good trading signals that we have here. But when scalping, sometimes the market is so fast that you are not able to enter your scalp trades at an optimal price. But what I would do then is to look at where support and resistance levels are and see if I would be able to enter a trade based on both the Trade Scalper and price action, support and resistance. So here I'm drawing a support line at the bottom of these lows at 27.9650, and this is the early morning session. It's before the session opens, the New York session. I usually find very good trades at this time. And there's a resistance line at the top at 27.9850. The market has stayed inside this 2-point range for over an hour on the 1-minute chart. So I enter with a limit order, waiting for the order to get filled. This is 10 contracts. Every point of profit will be $500. So in this trade, I'm looking to make around 500 bucks. Could be less, could be more, depending on the price action. The limit orders, they're filled on a first come, first served basis, so I just need to sit tight here, not move around, and I will get filled. And here, the Trade Scalper and the trading platform automatically enters stop loss orders and profit target orders, so when the market hits those price levels, I would take profit or get stopped out automatically. But this was not a Trade Scalper trade, but a support and resistance trade, so I wanted to close this trade manually. I'm aiming for 1 point of profit. As the market broke out at 27.9650, the Trade Scalper gave us a short signal that you can see in the chart. But now that I've focused on support and resistance trading, instead of trading this signal straight away, I wanted to wait to see if I would be able to find a better trade setup that would give me a larger profit than the scalp trade would. But with Trade Scalper, I definitely had double the confidence in this trade. So if we analyze this trade from a price action perspective, the signal came in on pretty low volume. Normally we would want the breakout to be on a big candle with big volume. We want the market to show determination. But here the volume stayed at pretty normal levels. But the breakout did happen on a big candle, and that's exactly what we want to see. But then as the market started to rally back to the old support level, the volume started to diminish and dry up here at the previous support line. And that tells me that there's not enough demand for the market to move back into the channel, into the range. But the market always wants to test where it has been before. But now the previous support line became resistance. And this is something that you will see over and over again in the markets. Areas where the market has traded before becomes areas where the market is not able to go anymore. So as the volume here dried up and the market is not able to move higher, I decided to go short. For these support and resistance trades on a 1-minute chart, I usually aim for 1 point of profit. Sometimes more, sometimes less. I adjust that based on the price action. If I'm short and the market is super weak, then I would probably aim for a bigger profit. And if the market is not going anywhere, I would probably want to close out at a smaller profit. Also, you can see here how the candles on the move down were big and how the candles on the retest of the range were small. To break out and move down, it took just 3 candles, but to move back again up to the support line, it took at least 8 or 10 candles, and that tells me there's weakness in the market. At least there's no strength, there's no real demand at this time. And there I closed the trade manually. 1 point of profit at 10 contracts, that means $500. Thanks for watching. Please like our videos and remember to subscribe to our channel. Our next price action trading video is out soon. Take care. Bye now.